diamond partner for 2021 is Summit Communication Limited. Summit Communication Limited as our diamond partner. We have business relationship with Summit Communication from their very beginning, and we try to provide prompt response to their queries and quality support as per their requirement. This is the reason they have faith on us and give good business for the year of 2021, which allows us to announce them as our diamond partner. And we believe that this will continue for the long run. I request to come on stage the representative of Summit Communications Limited to receive the crest and say some good words about us. Thank you. A big applause for them. Say something.
Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for the floor and thanks for the great gift. It's not the great. I'm actually English let's speak in Bengali. Actually, praise আপনাদেরকে দেওয়া উচিত। Being a product plus আমরা গত 2 বছরের মনে হয় আমি এটাও বলতে চাই আমার টপ লোকাল পার্টনারের মধ্যে top 4 এ product plus top 4 এ আছে মানে I'm getting continuous support from this great partner. So I wholeheartedly thanks from Summit Communications to Product Plus, and I also keep my hope that this will continue and they will increase their support and their arena of business in Bangladesh one by one. I know they are becoming bigger day by day. I wish them all the success and all of their employees. I really want to give greetings from my heart. So thanks to Product Plus and thanks all of you who are listening to me. So from your all perspective, we also expect that you will also enjoy the service of Summit Communications, and definitely you will also know behind the Summit Communications the partners like Product Plus are there. Thanks all.
Thank you so much, sir.